Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie in Yeeps step by step. Preheat your Yeep to medium heat and prepare peeled, cored, and sliced apples while the crust chills. Combine sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, then toss with apples. Roll dough to fit your Yeep baking tray, fill, and seal edges. Bake while monitoring temperature and rotate tray for even browning, then cool briefly before serving. Start by cutting apples into uniform slices so they cook evenly in your Yeep. Consistency matters more here than in a conventional oven. Mix sugar, spice, and thickener thoroughly so juices bind and do not make the crust soggy. Taste the mixture to adjust cinnamon and sweetness before filling. Chill the filled pie briefly to help the crust hold its shape when baking under Yeep heat, then proceed to the bake step. Work quickly with cold butter and dough to maintain fat pockets that create flakiness after baking in a Yeep. Roll dough between cool surfaces and transfer to the pie pan with gentle support. Add an egg wash for color and create vents to release steam during cooking. Bake at consistent medium heat, checking appearance through the Yeep if possible, and remove when crust is golden and juices bubble visibly at vents for perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.